All right, guys, this is Tesla Model Y dual motor versus the Mustang Mach-E. We're gonna do a little drag race and see how they perform.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Model Y is quite a bit quicker, but I definitely got a head start off the line.
3, 2, 1, go!
See, the problem was I didn't have propulsion sound on.
Oh, that's what it was.
That makes it go a lot faster.
I'm gonna turn slip start on, see if that does anything.
There you go. Do I even have traction control adjustment in this?
Yeah, you do. It's like buried in 8 menus though.
Here we go. Traction control off.
All right, one more, and then we'll switch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you brake torquing or no?
No.
Yeah. It depends. I mean, sometimes it'll lean against it, but when I was measuring them, it was actually a little bit slower to brake torque this.
Okay.
Like if I did brake and then gas, it was slightly slower than just...
I've just been going for it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's electric.
Right.
All right.
I'm curious though, if you were to turn auto hold off and then just like use the brake pedal and flip, it might be slightly faster because it doesn't have to release the parking brake.
That's right. That's a good point. I don't know.
I've got auto hold off.
All right.
All right.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, the Model Y just edges ahead slightly. It's a little bit quicker off the line. It can really let out that torque quickly. And then up to speed, it just pulls slightly on the Mach-E. One more?
Sure.
You wanna do like a rollout?
Yeah, we'll do a 5 mile per hour roll.
Okay, you count us down.
All right, let's get straight, obviously. Go. Nice. Yeah, it's about 50 miles per hour, so you start to walk.
Really?
Yeah. You're at 73%, aren't you?
Yeah.
Same here.
All right, same percentage. 73 on both cars.
3, 2, 1, go!
And the Model Y just shoots by. I got a little bit of a jump on them off the line, but yeah, once you get up above 65, 70 miles an hour, the Teslas just put their power down so much better. Could be a weight thing, a little bit of aerodynamics, a little bit of electric motor horsepower.
3, 2, 1, go!
Do a roller here.
Want to do another?
Yeah. All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Woo. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Scientific drag racing between the Mach-E and Model Y. I think we've done enough runs to kind of prove the point.
All right, you got your content?
I got my content.
Cool. Yeah, I want to take the white one around the track like a lap or two. I think that's the most fun. You just feel, it feels the most playful being light.
It is, yeah, it is fun. And the speed difference isn't as much as I thought it would be.
No.
I think the Mach-E does feel a little bit quicker on like the first acceleration of the day when the battery is cold. But you said it's been really consistent.
I've
run after run.
It's like everything 5.3, 5.4 on like every run.
That's cool.
Yesterday and today.
Okay.
I think the Mustang, like I said, drive it around a little bit and see what you think. It feels like it takes just a split second to deliver the power right when you press the gas.
Yeah, I mean, it's a much smoother delivery, I think.
Yeah, it doesn't jerk your head back in the same way.
Yep.
I mean, they're probably more powerful motors in the Mustang than they are in the Tesla.
Yeah, well, they have to be with all the weight.
Right.
I can't wait for the GT. I think that's going to be the beast. I mean, this is not necessarily the performance Mustang. It's just, it's fast enough. It's very quick.
Yeah.
Feels great, but this is more of a luxury.
Yeah, and then we got to find
option.
someone with the performance Model Y.
Yeah, exactly. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Some good drag racing at M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to head over, follow Daily Motor on YouTube and Instagram. My Instagram is at TheTopher2. And if you're in the Detroit area, check out M1 Concours. Lots of cool automotive events, track rentals, all sorts of good times here on track. I'm actually an instructor here, and you may even get a thrill ride from me someday. Who knows? Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.